Opposition Leader, Uri Alimo.
Speaker sir, I rise to speak on the cut motions and oppose the demands. Speaker sir, speaking on home, I do not know, Speaker sir, whether I should respond with anger or frustration. Speaker sir, the crime is on the rise. Crime-related activities are on the rise. There is absolutely no detection or no prevention in place or no proactive measures taken by the police, Speaker sir. Now, Speaker sir, the locals, it is revealed that they are not safe because of these cases. Speaker sir, the growing crimes, rape, murders, dacoity, drug-related crimes, and the growing crimes and operations in the touristic area. Tourist area, Speaker sir, it has brought very bad name to the state of Goa. Speaker sir, the Chief Minister finds the escape route of blaming migrant as the cause. Speaker sir, Soglank khabar aha that most of the Goans, their sentiments are against migrants. But is it right on the part of the Chief Minister to make such abrasive statements? Speaker sir, if migrants are responsible, from the data it doesn't show. But even if they are responsible, isn't this the failure of the department? Why is the Chief Minister escaping rather than taking the blame on the department, Speaker sir? And that's, Speaker sir, the Home Department is sleeping over several illegalities. Itlio illegalities chalte. Speaker sir, first I will speak about the foreign nationals. Foreign nationals jinga Goyan deta under the pretext of the education visa, ye inga overstay hota hai, and this police department is sleeping, Speaker sir. Why I will tell you. I had moved a question 66 on 19 of July 2023, in which it says that the government is awaiting data from the Ministries of Home Affairs on these foreign nationals. How serious are we, Speaker sir? Speaker sir, if you look at the operations of illegal casinos, ये कसिनो जे इलिगल चलताय प्रत्येक मतदारसंघात ये इलिगल कसिनो आहे, स्पीकर सर. आणि ये इलिगल कसिनो जे आहे बारीक भुरगे आमगेले काबार जाले, स्पीकर सर. सगळे जे जोडून आसलेले हे सगळे म्हाका दिसता हेमी हे पयशे हे इलिगल कसिनोन घातलेले आहे. या इलिगल कसिनो विदाउट द कनायवन्स ऑफ द पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट, इट इज अ टोटल फेलियर. स्पीकर सर, मुगेले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन इटसेल्फ there are more than 12. 2 दिसान जरी तर पुलिसां सांगले 2 दिसान बंद जाता, परत चालू जाता. स्पीकर सर, पयरच्या दिसाक एकलो भुरगो जीव दिवपाक गेलो कित्याक 6-7 लाख पेडी जाल म्हूण लावलो. एक मिनटां एक ओपन येता. आतां स्पीकर सर, हेजो कंट्रोल कोणाचो हातींत आसा? म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्रीन हें नोट करपाक जाय, बिकॉज दीस इज अ व्हेरी सिरियस मॅटर. आमी जेन्ना व्हडले कसिनोचे लिगलायज कसिनोचे उलयताय थिंगा गोंयकारांक एंट्री ना, पूण ह्या कसिनोंत हेजो कोणाचो हात आसा म्हाका दिसता एक गरजेची वस्त आसा. स्पीकर सर, द ग्रोईंग टेंटिकल्स ऑफ ड्रग्स, आज ड्रग्स म्हणटाय ते इज नॉट ओन्ली इन द मेनलँड, बिचीचेरूय मेळना, सगळे जाग्यार मेळटा. फ्री फ्लो ऑफ ड्रग्स, सिंथेथीक ड्रग म्हणून एक मेळटा. पयरच्या दिसाक आमी एक क्वेश्चन घालो, सिंथेथीक ड्रग म्हणटाय ते कितें? कोण म्हणून लागले डिझायनर ड्रग्स. स्पीकर सर, द रिप्लाय सेज LAQ 3C, it states that the government is aware of the availability. Tanga khabar aha mun. But Speaker sir, they are relying on the notice and inputs from Interpol. And the Speaker sir, why doesn't the government have its own mechanism to trace this? We know that drugs has been circulating. The Honorable Chief Minister, Speaker sir, needs to look into this very seriously. SIT move start केली with a lot of fanfare आणि बोर्ड जालो जे लँड ग्रॅबिंग केसीन आशिल्ले ते. स्पीकर सर, हे SIT वेळार जेन्ना हांकां ऑफिसरांक अपॉयंट केले, जेन्ना इन्क्वायरी चलताली हे ऑफिसरांक कित्याक ट्रान्सफर केले? स्पीकर सर, इन्क्वायरी ऑन आसतना ऑफिसरांक कित्याक थिंगाचे ऑफिसरांक ट्रान्सफर केले? स्पीकर सर, आय चार्ज दॅट हे थोडेशे जे ऑफिसर आहाय, आय विल नॉट टेक देयर नेम्स, आय विल टेल द ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर that they themselves are combined with these land sharks आणि 4-5 प्लॉट मागताय. स्पीकर सर, हे जावपाक म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्रीन हेजेर लक्ष घालपाक जाय. सायबर सेल म्हणून आमगेलो एक आहा, आणि ते सायबर सेलाचे बॅलन्स शीट कितें? what is their balance sheet in terms of cyber crime detection and prevention? the Honorable Chief Minister needs to put it on the floor of the House. Speaker sir, जे Vigilance Department, जे certificate दिले लोकायुक्तान certificate दिले 21 of corruption. What has happened with those cases that the Lokayukta had given it to the Vigilance Department? Speaker sir, the police department एक board झालो की there was a scam with the recruitment scam. आणि जो लोकांमध्ये एक perception आलो पुलिसांमध्ये that went from bad to worse. हे म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्रीन सांगपाक जाय की तेजी इन्क्वायरी कितें जाली. आणि Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता की they are upright officers, there are police officers, they need to be given a free hand rather than political interference and communal prejudice. Yes, म्हाका दिसता तांकां एक फ्री हँड मुखेलमंत्रीन म्हाका दिसता दिवपाक जायो. एक फंक्शनाक आमी आशिल्ले बाराबोर आशिल्ले आमचे फ्रीडम फायटराचे भुरगे जॉब तांकां अजून फावो जालें ना. कितलीं वर्सां जालीं स्पीकर सर स्वतंत्र जाल्यार आनी जॉब आमकां तांकां दिवंक ना. मुखेलमंत्रीन उतर दिलां की तांकां भिवपाक गरज ना म्हूण आनी हे ते वर्सां म्हळ्यार तो कंप्लीट करतलो. तांकां प्रायोरिटी दिची कित्याक तेंगेले भुरग्यांक तेणें म्हाका दिसता जें उतर दिलां तें पाडपाक जाय. दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट स्पीकर सर. स्पीकर सर, जे फ्रीडम फायटरान ऑल्सो सांगलेलें जे आमचे बाब कुंडे बाब जे आशिल्ले जे आग्वाद जेलांत जे सोरो विकता आनी त्या फंक्शनाक तेणें सांगलोलें की बाबा दीस सेट्स बॅड प्रेसिडन्स, हें बंद जावपाक जाय. स्पीकर सर, जे आमगेले कुंकोळच्या गांवांत हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा मुखेलमंत्रीक थिंगा चिफ्टन मेमोरियल म्हणून केलोलो आहा पूण थिंगा एक रिफर्बिशमेंट जावपाक जाय. स्पीकर सर, दीस गव्हर्मेंट हॅज फेल्ड म्हाका दिसता दोग तीग जावन उलयले टू नोटिफाय द प्लेसीस ऑफ हिस्टॉरिकल इम्पॉर्टन्स लायक लोहिया मैदान. द गव्हर्मेंट स्पीकर सर जे इन्विटेशन कार्ड दिताय म्हाका दूख जाता. हांवें गेले ते वर्सा एक ट्विटराचेर पोस्ट केल्लो आनी मुखेलमंत्रीकूय त्या ट्विटराक टॅग केल्लो. जी इन्विटेशन कार्ड हांवें जो गोवा रेवल्युशन डे ओ चिफ्टन रिवॉल्ट हे इन्विटेशन ब्लॅक एंड व्हायटान दिताय स्पीकर सर. बट इव्हेंटाक बुकलेट जो सगळे प्रिंटेड आसता. कित्याक स्पीकर सर हें म्हाका दिसता तुगेले डिपार्टमेंटान करेक्ट करपाक जाय. स्पीकर सर, जे होमगार्डा जे हिंगा सगळे उलयले की दीस government has failed to regularize the services of home guards. Aaj they work tirelessly and put their efforts for so many years. The government must provide proper facilities. जे तांकां हक्कान मेळपाक जाय ते जाय. आनी एक तुजे मुखार हाडपाक सोदता स्पीकर सर तुजे नोदरेन की जे आतांचे पुलीस डिप्लॉयड आहाय आज जे सगळे हे दीस आहाय दे आर नॉट बीन गिवन फूड अलाउन्सीस. I think Chief Minister should be kind enough to look into that. ते आज जे ड्युटी कोताय ते बाबडे भोंवताय थिंगा खूंय कोणाको चुकोन पास मेळटो काय म्हूण सोदपाक. दॅट फूड अलावन्स यू शूड गिव दीज police who are working here in the assembly complex. Speaker sir. Speaker sir, speaking on the casinos, आता जे कसिनोचो म्हाका दिसता लिगलायज्ड हिंग लिगलायज कोण उलयना कित्याक उलयना तो म्हाका खबर ना. हे लिगलायज कसिनोज जे आहाय स्पीकर सर दे आर द बिगस्ट माफिया. हे हांव कित्याक सांगता स्पीकर सर, 3 दीस आदीं there was a report that there is a loss of almost 10,000 crores. This is been shown by the Director General of GST. He has trained its focus on casinos in Goa and Sikkim, and he feels that there is a scam of almost 10,000 crores. It could be because of the GST difference of 18 and 28%. But Speaker sir, आज जेन्ना GST component or mining bond ha, I think the Honorable Chief Minister should look into this. We should not rely or not support these casinos when it comes to their revenue deficit. आमकां हा हेजेर म्हाका दिसता माननीय मुखेलमंत्रीन जे रूल नोटिफाय करपाक जाय गेमिंग कमिशनर म्हणून दुसऱ्याक चार्ज ह्या दॅट यू नीड टू एम्पावर इट. स्पीकर सर, कमिंग ऑन ड्रग्स जे पयरच्या दिसाक मुखेलमंत्रीन म्हाका दिसता हे जे ड्रग्स आशिल्ले ते लासयले पयरच्या दिसाक असेंब्ली स्टार्ट जावची आमगेलें एक क्वेश्चन आशिल्लें. बट मुखेलमंत्रीन आमकां सांगपाक जाय की इतले वर्सां हाऊ मेनी इयर्स कॅन यू स्टोर इट, how many years is it allowed, Speaker sir, to keep these drugs within the police department? You need to clarify, Speaker sir. Speaking on the jail, Speaker sir, the minute you speak about the jail, it sends shivers down the spine. Kideं चलता, Speaker sir? पयच्या दिसाक IGP गेलो, he was surprised that everyone has मोबायल फोन्स. स्पीकर सर, जे नार्कोटीक सबस्टेन्स जावं आर्म्स एंड वेपन्स, बेंड सबस्टेन्स, मेटेरियल इन जेल्स, हे सगळे हिंगा हे जेलींत स्पीकर सर हे मेळटा. स्पीकर सर, हे जेल जे आहाय दे बिकम पॅराडायज फॉर क्रिमिनल्स एंड द क्रिमिनल्स अंडरगोईंग सेंटन्स हे जेल ब्रेकूय कोताय. स्पीकर सर, हे पुलिसा कडेन कमिनात जावन म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्रीन हेजेर एक सिरियसली टॉट घेवपाक जाय. स्पीकिंग ऑन विजिलन्स स्पीकर सर, नाव आमगेले एक प्रश्न आसलो, विजिलन्सा कडेन कितल्यो केसी आहाय. आतां विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंट हॅज फेल्ड or the government has failed to empower the vigilance department with proper manpower, training and equipment. Case कितल्यो म्हाका दिसता मुखार वयताय ते तुका सांगता स्पीकर सर. आतां the vigilance department should have a dedicated staff, well trained and should be well equipped with proper gadgets. आतां मुगेलो रिप्लाय आहा, हांवें विचारलें की कितले ट्रेनिंग कॅम्प घाल म्हणून. They say that you have done no training camps, no workshops, no seminars were organized by and attended by the vigilance department officials to get acquainted with advanced technologies. From 2019, म्हणजे 4 वर्सां केसल्यो ट्रेनिंग कॅम्प नाय. आतां हे आयक, तेंगेल्यो गॅजेट मागिल्ले स्पीकर सर, केसल्यो गॅजेट आहाय तुमकडे. म्हाका आन्सर मेळ्ळा, गॅजेट्स अवेलेबल विथ द विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंट इज सोनी कॅसेट रिकॉर्डर. आतां खुंयच तेंपा कॅसेट रिकॉर्डर स्पीकर सर. सोनी कॅमेरा सायबर शॉट, सोनी हेडफोन आनी इयरफोन. म्हाका दिसता हे डिपार्टमेंट is working under their political bosses. The chief minister, speaker sir, needs to look at that. Goa Sadanaचे चोड उलयना थिंगा गोवा सदनाक स्पीकर सर आमी गेल्ले आमगेले आमदार गेल्ले रात्या पावले भिले रावतले रावपा नाका मोते गोवा सदना रातचो गुड दिसता. म्हाका दिसता हे मुखेलमंत्रीन हेजेरूय जे कित्याक लोक रावता जाल्यार तांकां बरी फॅसिलिटी मेळपाक जाय. स्पीकर सर, स्पीकिंग ऑन फायर एंड इमर्जन्सी सर्वीस, आता this department is ill-equipped. I'll tell you why, Chief Minister. जे तुगेले staff high, the sanctioned staff, as per my LAQ reply, is 1,106, and you have 899 available staff. 207 are vacant posts. And the Speaker sir, 86 firefighter, 58 driver, and ultra leading firefighter vacancies available hai. ये बेगिनूच बेगीन तुवें भरपाक जाय. फायर पेटोत हाय. ये आय कांदा स्पीकर सर. हांवें विचारलें की फायर फायटराची डेट दी जे थिंगा फायर जे वॉटर टेंडर आहाय फायर ब्रिगेड आहाय. आतां स्पीकर सर म्हाका आन्सर मेळटा आनी तेंगेल्यो कितल्यो आहाय खंयच डेटी आहल्यो. बिचोले स्पीकर सर आहा एक बिचोली मॉडल आहा 2000चो इन द इयर 2000. स्पीकर सर वाल्पो इज 2006, म्हापसा इज 2006 and Pilen is 2008. म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर आमी एक इव्हेंट करपाक जाय. कित्याक इव्हेंट करपाक जाय? 25 वर्सां जावपाक येता हे बिचोलीचो जो फायर हे आहा हिंगा म्हाका दिसता 1.5 वर्सांनी आमी एक 25 वर्सान एक इव्हेंट करपाचो आनी 25 करोड मोडपाचे. स्पीकर सर, कमिंग टू द इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड पब्लिसिटी, I do not know whether to call it an act of tragedy or comedy that this website of information and publicity does not recognize Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as an eminent national figure on the website. Now, Speaker sir, it was Nehruji who was the first Prime Minister of India. He was the first person who sowed the seeds of parliamentary democracy. Whatever may be the politics of the day, Speaker sir, he will eternally remain as the tallest leader of the Indian nation. And that Speaker sir, Sogle Chandrayaan 3 म्हणून उलयताय. Now Chandrayaan 3, we talk about it. Speaker sir, the Indian Space Research Organization and the Baba Atomic Center, these were, and the Indian Institute of Sciences, these were all initiatives of Pandit Nehru. I am only pointing this out. I have no expectation from the government. Speaker sir, you look at the failure of the government with regards to the RTI Act or to the implementation of 2005. Now, several cases, Speaker sir, are seen that RTI information जे हे काँग्रेसान एक हत्यार दिल्ले लोकांचे हातान हे म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय सरकाराचो प्रयत्न जाला की हे इन्फॉर्मेशन सारकें तांकां पावना. The urgent need of the Chief Minister to promote Goan film and filmmakers. आता जात कितें Speaker sir, the focus should not only be on films shot in Goa. The focus should be on films produced by Goans, made by Goans, and there should be actors directors, producers from Goa. Speaker sir, films made in Goa are fine, but films made by Goans are super fine. आमच्या रक्तांत थिएटर, म्युझिक आनी हे जे कल्चर आहा, हेजेर म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्रीन लक्ष घालपाक जाय. स्पीकर सर, आतां हो इम्पॉर्टंट इश्यू जो इव्हेंट्स. स्पीकर सर, हांव सदांच म्हणटा की हो एक इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट सरकार आनी कांय हरकत ना मुखेलमंत्री म्हणटा की तो इव्हेंट करता म्हणून, बिकॉज दे आर अकॉर्डिंग टू हिम ही इज परफॉर्मिंग एज वेल. नाव स्पीकर सर, जे information and publicity che kaata, information and publicity je speaker sir, they have spent almost 100 crores. They have spent almost 100 crores from 2019 to 2023. And edge by it, there is GAD, there is tourism, there is social welfare, sports, art and culture and health. Yes, all tori total mala, it is almost 500 crores. And the speaker sir, the CAG has stated that this government has not formed its media policy on advertisements. Policy na manon, and it was paying much more for advertisements than the government of India. And the speaker sir, je expenditure incur jalle from November 2019 to 2022 is around 43 crores 79 lakhs 46,874. Ani advertisement che and publicity che from May 2019 to 23 is 31 crores 37 lakhs 73,867. Speaker sir, of all सगळेपट इव्हेंट जाता आतां स्पीकर सर तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आहा एक एस्टिमेटेड कॉस्ट मो आसता. कितलो एस्टिमेट जातलो, कितल्या इव्हेंटाक पडटले. स्पीकर सर 15 इव्हेंट केले. आतां स्पीकर सर सगळे 15 इव्हेंटा मदें ओनली वन इव्हेंट जे G20 चे 8 क्रोजाचे आहले, ओनली दीस वन इव्हेंट एस्टिमेटेड कॉस्ट आमगेले रिप्लायन दिला. दॅट मिन्स ऑल दी अदर इव्हेंट्स देर वॉज नो एस्टिमेटेड कॉस्ट. स्पीकर सर 15 इव्हेंटांतल्यान 12 इव्हेंट पोस्ट फॅक्टो अप्रुवल दिला आणि ते 12 इव्हेंटाचे 18.49. आता पोस्ट फॅक्टो अप्रुवल इज बिकम द थंब रूल ऑफ दिस गव्हर्मेंट. स्पीकर सर, इट हॅज टू बी यूज ओनली ड्युरिंग एन अर्जन्सी. आता मुखेलमंत्रीले एक इव्हेंट आहा की आपूण 2 वर्सां कोतलो म्हणून तेका 56 लॅक्स कित म्हणे, तेकाय पोस्ट फॅक्टो. आणि मुखेलमंत्रीक खबर आसूं ना आपूण 2 वर्सां काडटो म्हणून, कित्याक पोस्ट फॅक्टो अप्रुवल. स्पीकर सर, स्पीकर सर, जे ह्या डिपार्टमेंटान आमकां आन्सर दिला की कितले स्टाफ आहाय अनस्टाफ, देर आर अबाउट 54 स्टाफ रायट फ्रॉम MTS टू डायरेक्टर. आतां स्पीकर सर, हे जे थिंगा स्टाफ आहाय दे आर नॉट ट्रेन्ड. नन ऑफ देम ऑफ स्पीकर सर हॅव बीन ट्रेन्ड with none of them have the qualification for event management, engineering, architecture, fine arts, designing. कोणाक हे qualification ना स्पीकर सर. कित्याक स्पीकर सर हे इव्हेंट जाताय? Why an expert is not there? स्पीकर सर, इव्हेंट कोस्ट न्हू केल म्हणटरी मागीर एडिशनल कॉस्टान येता. स्पीकर सर, this huge additional cost is claimed by the event management agencies because the officials have failed to decide the exact scope of work. Speaker sir, tender float kuday ani maga dista crores of rupees have been spent without estimated cost to give free agencies to the hand, to these free hand to these agencies. Speaker sir, एक event we have with short notice ani ejer maga dista it has been dictated by the OSD of the Chief Minister, who also instructs the department to nominate a particular agency to organize events. This, Speaker sir, is in complete violations and regulations of the government. Speaker sir, dotor amgelo dotor aha. And the dotor jenna patient elo, he will give a prescription. But at the side, if tej bara kon nurse ha, o kon compounder ha ko prescription diupa jata. Speaker sir, ye maka dista ek important वस्तू. Speaker sir, जे मुखेलमंत्रीन सांगपाक जाय event koda okay, but there should be proper procedures have to be followed. Speaker sir. Speaker sir, जे skill development ache उलयता आसतना, now we need to understand that this ministry works in collaboration with the Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Industry. I am aware, because of the launch of the apprenticeship program by this government. What is needed is the consistent and continued focus rather than making it an event for publicity. Speaker sir, Art Azar Enkadila, I hope this government is not encouraging dropouts from school. We need to remember that skill development is for all. It is not only for dropouts from the education system. Speaker sir, this government also has failed to increase the advanced courses in the skill development. Now, as per your provisions, because now your director implements major 3 schemes of, one is craftsman training scheme through ITI, one is apprenticeship training scheme, and one is Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. These 3 schemes, Speaker sir, happens through this department. Now, Speaker sir, the J financial assistance matter is being awarded to BPL, SC, ST categories with a 3 lakh per annum for duration of this training. Ceiling limit gaila आणि एमका टूल किट म्हणून 2,500 मेळटाय. म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर हे वाडपाक जाय आणि म्हाका दिसता हांकां minimum 5,000 per trainee should be given because of the inflation. Speaker sir, official language I am happy that some of my suggestions were implemented by the Honorable Chief Minister. Speaker sir, but I want to draw the attention. Key Speaker sir, the CM needs to ensure that grants have been given to these people in time. Time and Speaker sir. The government employees need to be trained in this official language. Speaker sir, website ji ha, hunche department aje website maga dista, you need to put it in order. Amchi mai bhashen te aspak jai Speaker sir. Now Speaker sir, J provision or act ha 1987 of the official language act. Under this, only 2 manuscripts in Konkani language are approved for publications as claimed in the performance report. So performance report amka dila tindu. Now Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता जे interest of languagean, जे language research cell, the efforts are required from the directorate to enrich this cell by recruiting renowned scholars to the language to enhance the vocabulary and new words. And Speaker sir, this government has failed to give proper financial assistance to Goa Konkani Academy, Konkani Bhasha Mandal, All India Konkani Parishad, Dalgado Konkani Academy. Anka म्हाका दिसता or government fail zala. Speaker sir, speaking of general administration, je decision after decision of the BJP government are turned back by courts. Speaker sir, failure of the administration is seen. It is not the government but the NGOs and the people who are working and protecting Goa. Looks like, Speaker sir, this department needs to be streamlined. In many areas, when the matters are left to the whims and fancies of these officers, there will be no transparency. Now, Speaker sir, contractual staff issue asundi, the government staff they are all dominated.
1 minute. CM.
Speaker sir, under Rule 16 of the Rule of Procedure and Conduct of Business, I move a motion to extend the duration of the sitting of the House by 2 hours.
The motion is that duration of the sitting of the House by 2 hours. Those who favor aye. The duration of the sitting of the House is extended by 2 hours. Yes.
Because J ex post facto approval je jata, this is becoming the rule, thumb rule jata, rather than an exception. J foreign trips of several bureaucrats have turned into pleasure trips. Speaker sir, the rule of the economy is violated while you're hiring premises for government offices. Yes, CAG in Makadista Eje audit Kadole ha. Speaker sir, this government also has failed to maintain several government offices. Ana LAQ reply 139 says that the building of Directorate of Social Welfare, Eksheda or such a building, it is in dilapidated condition. And Speaker sir, the PWD has done only minor works. And Speaker sir, one of the most important issue, and I feel that the Chief Minister should push for this. Speaker sir, there is a need to notify a separate Goa cadre for all India services as per the provision of the Goa Daman and Diu Reorganization Act 1987, Act number 18 of 1987. Now Section 59 of the Goa Daman and Diu, because of this, the Union government, Amgeli state forms and Section 30 of the Act provides that Goa should have a separate cadre for the All India service. Now, since 1987, since statehood, 36 years we are part of EGMUT cadre, that is Arunachal, Goa, Mizoram Union Territory, ami part hai. This is controlled by the Ministry of Home Affairs. On 9th March 2022, there was a circular by the Government of India that the EGMUT strength has to be amended. Now, for the state of Goa, we have 23 senior duty posts have been allocated. Chief secretaries, principal secretaries, commissioners, other secretaries, director, etc. The cadre strength of the Goa segment is 43. Now, Speaker sir, this 43 posts, it is filled by the promotion of the Goa Civil Service, 13, and direct recruitment, 30. At present, we have 26 to 27 IAS officers serving the state. Speaker sir, 60 वर्सां जाली लिबरेशनाची आनी म्हाका दिसता the state administration जे आमगेलें आहा, it is being directly or indirectly controlled by the Ministry of Home Affairs. Speaker sir, the Chief Minister is not controlling these officers. For any irregularity or lack of performance, the Chief Minister cannot take action. Speaker sir, the officers of the Goa Civil Service cadre, J. Magadista, who got through promotion, are experienced and have the pulse of the soil. Speaker sir, they have been working for Goa and Goans. Itle orsa ye officer काम कोते. Pun tenga oir sokol shunt kote. They have been sent through all the different length and breadth of the country rather than them using their services for the state of Goa. Speaker sir, as of now, 10 Goan officers from Goa segment of Egmut. At any time, it will be 13. Speaker sir, if a separate cadre, suppose Mukhel Mantrin, Centera Kode, if this cadres and IAS officers is notified for Goa, as per the provision of the Goa Dominant and Due Reorganization Act, firstly, what is the benefit, Speaker sir? Direct recruit je jata hai, they will be allotted, who are allotted Goa cadre, they will have to learn the local language. Speaker sir, they will realize that they will have to be in the state except during central duty. Speaker sir, secondly, the service and the control will be in the hands of the Chief Minister. They will be held accountable. Tisre, at any given time, if you exclude 10 to 12 officers sent to Delhi on central deputation, you still have around 30 officers, of which 13 are from Goa. Speaker sir, Manor Parikaran, ye 2012 one, letter of withdrawal of consent from Egmut Munon was sent to the Ministry of Home Affairs. Ye Magadista, now is the time for this double engine Sarkar that they, instead of expecting 150 crores, Speaker sir, simply demand that the Ministry of Home Affairs notifies the Goa state cadre for IAS as per the provision and terms of Section 59 of the Goa Dominant and Due Reorganization Act. Speaker sir, speaking on port administration, and that's Speaker sir, on port administration, I'm striking a caution to this government. There are moves of privatization of jetties. There are also moves of erecting new jetties, supposedly for inland water transport and tourism department. Speaker sir, this is a serious issue and should not be taken in a haste. Now, I note a provision of rupees 30 crores made for construction of jetties under the Sagarmala project. Speaker sir, what is this? Is this the renovation of the existing jetties or something else the Chief Minister needs to clarify? Under demand number 67, I observe a subhead maritime school, establishment of maritime board, but no funds, because are allocated. The Chief Minister may clarify on the same. Speaker sir, लोकांमध्ये board झाला की casino ये शापोरा रिवरांत, जुवारी रिवरांत, साल रिवरांत येतले काय कितें मुखेलमंत्री म्हाका दिसता एक assurance दिवपाक जाय. I would also like to point out, Speaker sir, that the budget estimates of 23-24 show a 14.19% rise over revised estimate on the Council of Ministers. Speaker sir, speaking on waste management. Yes, solid waste management, Speaker sir, looks like the sogle urban areas je hai, intonu concentrate kote. Panchayat, Speaker sir, are somehow left to defend for themselves. Now, they are pulled by the High Court for failures of solid waste management. Speaker sir, what they face is deficiency in skills for treatment and management of the waste as well as the financial resources. And thus, Speaker sir, this government has failed in scientifically handling garbage collected from panchayat areas, garbage collected from municipal areas, garbage collected on national highways, garbage collected from beaches, hazardous waste, biomedical waste. There is no proper methodology with the government for scientific handling and management and disposal of this, Speaker sir. Piles and itle garbage beaches मेवता, itle garbage national highway and state highways मेटा. स्क्रॅप यार्डाचे आमी उलयले सगळ्यांनी आनी तेजेर हांव आनी उलयना मागता मुखेलमंत्रीन जें सांगलां तेजेर म्हाका दिसता पॉलिसीज हांवें रोखडेच ताबडतोब गरजेची गरज नाल्यार थिंगा एक व्हडलो डिझास्टर म्हाका दिसता जावपाचो एक शक्यता आहा. स्पीकर सर, स्पीकिंग अबाउट कलेक्टरेट नॉर्थ गोवा आनी साऊथ गोवा, आतां आमकां हें डिझास्टर मॅनेजमेंट ऑथॉरिटी हें म्हाका दिसता इज बिकम लायक अ जोक. इफ यू लूक एट रिप्लाय नंबर 143 dated 29 March 2023, हितून स्पीकर सर हांवें विचारलें तेंचे कडेन कितें आहा गामो, कसलें इक्विपमेंट आहा. Speaker sir, the State Emergency Operations Center is functioning with one landline phone, one desktop computer, and one LED screen and one printer. Speaker sir, the emergency response system is functioning with one dual screen PC with IP phone, one firewall and 8 Mbps internet lease line for connectivity purpose. And dusre disaster manage korpak, they say that they have PWD, Water Resources Department, Directorate of Fire and Emergency, Police Department, etc. Speaker sir, answeran somos soilyar whether there was a meeting. Answer says that the departments have replied to me they didn't have a single meeting with other associated departments to coordinate disaster management. हेच पयले म्हाका दिसता एक मोठें disaster, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, we have to take this seriously. कित्याक तुका खबर आहा flooding जाता, wildfire जाता, somehow we have failed to protect our मंत्री लागी हांव मागता, take this very seriously. आतां साऊथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट स्पीकर सर जे कलेक्टरेटाचे ऑफिस आसले ते बांदलोले काँग्रेसा वेळार तुमकां एक म्हाका दिसता इव्हेंट करपाक ताकाच तें मेळ्ळें तुमी तें एक उक्त केलो. स्पीकर सर, this complex was initiated during the Congress regime, but the government has failed to maintain this complex. जेन्ना हांव पयलो आमदार जालो हांवें हो प्रश्न गायलो आनी म्हाका बांदकाम मंत्रीन सांगलोलें की बाबा हे सगळें एक ऑडिट जातलो म्हणून. स्पीकर सर, थिंगा पीपल हॅव टू क्लायम ऑन द सेकंड एंड थर्ड फ्लोर, लिफ्ट चलनाय, टॉयलेटी वास येत जाल्यार गेल्यार स्पीकर सर ताका लोकांक थिंगा वचपा नाका ड्यू टू लॅक ऑफ मेंटेनन्स एंड डेटोरिएशन. जें हें म्हाका दिसता हें बिल्डिंगाचें मेंटेन केलें ना म्हूण हें पडपाचें आहा. स्पीकर सर, मुखेलमंत्रीन वा मंत्रीन हें मेंटेनन्स म्हाका दिसता दीज आर दी एसेट्स यू नीड टू लूक एट इट. Labor and employment उलयता आसता स्पीकर सर, the chief minister has announced that registration with labor and employment for government jobs is not required. And I would ask the honorable minister, you kindly enlighten me on what is the role of the employment exchange now. Speaker sir, will the department roll out an employment policy? Is there any policy you should place it on the table of the House? Speaker sir, you see the failure of this government to implement the labor welfare scheme. Now, Speaker sir, as per LAQ 5 dated 22/7/2022, they said that smart cards are being prepared and issued to workmen on employment. However, provision has been made in the Goa Employment and Retirement Benefits Act 2001 for contribution of 5% of the wages by the employer towards their retirement benefits. This, Speaker sir, has never been brought, it is only in the rule book, has been never brought into effect. Speaker sir, this government also has failed to provide healthcare facilities in the industrial labor. Industrial labor jenna industry in म्हाका दिसता माननीय मंत्रीन ते गेले ऑफिसरांनी थिंगा गेले कुंकोळे इंडस्ट्री एग्जांपल दितात थिंगा एक इंडस्ट्रीन 200-300 लेबर रावता. स्पीकर सर, is it hygienic? Is it fair on our part? Are we sleeping, Speaker sir? I believe that this is a very serious issue and so industry minister sangta tenka baba tenka huing atle kamo muko insata. Speaker sir, it is the duty of this government. Law juritor administration tej laga sangta, Speaker sir, somehow there has been a failure, Speaker sir. Last demand ache yatna, Speaker sir, on the revenue. This department, Speaker sir, is because it is concerned with the main resource of our tiny state. Je म्हाका दिसता revenue department and TCP department, both of you all will determine the utilization of our land under agriculture, forest, horticulture, whether it will remain goinkara barabor utle kai. This is because a very important thing. And there are serious issues in the working of the revenue department. Speaker sir, the amendment done to the Comunidad Act by which power is usurped by the government and officers for allotment, transfer and utilization of land under Comunidad. This is a very serious issue, Speaker sir. Goy bor log bihelo hai. Speaker sir, the government today is on a spree in allotting land to any agency or institute from outside can come in Goa and take the land without accountability. Example, I'll tell you, Speaker sir. 50 acres of land is allocated at Darbandara to India International University for Legal Education and Research. But jenna ek Goan, if any institute from Goa goes, Speaker sir, त्यांका 1 acre पासून मेळपाक त्रास जाते. Speaker sir, the amendment done to the Land Revenue Code has opened the threat of alienation of land from locals, as well as alienation from use marked in the RP through loopholes such as farmhouses and other provisions. Speaker sir, we expect the Honorable Minister and आमका हेजेर जाप दिचो की जे tenancy आणि मुंडकार केस आहे जे pending आहे इतल्यो for so long, this matter should conclude at the Mamladar and Deputy Collector level. The issue of mutations are delayed. पण कोणागे म्युटेशन्स बिकॉज 14 दिसान जाले एक म्युटेशन नांव आनगेना ते म्युटेशन एक दिसानूय जाल्लें आत मुखेलमंत्री टायमान न्हू तें पयलींचें एक दिसा भितर इतली सांग्याच्या गांवांत तूं खबर आहा तें कोणागे तें एक दिसान म्युटेशन जालें कितली जमीन 5-6 लाख जमीन सो बारीक लोकां जाय जाल्यार तें जायना. Speaker sir, the Honorable Minister of Revenue had spoken about targets to be given to Mamladars and revenue officials. Tenka target dille in disposing such matters. Magadista, we would like to know from the na mantri na, but I would like to know from the Honorable Minister ki what happened to this announcement. The government, Speaker sir, in short, has failed to protect the Comunidad land. The failure of the government to stop illegal constructions. This government has failed to dispose the Mundkar and tenancy cases in a time-bound manner. The failure of this government to protect Kazan land. Speaker sir, एक मोठो हिंगा प्रश्न जालो आणि तो प्रश्न काटा आणि मागीर न्हिदताय पयलीं 50,000 करोडा स्कॅम म्हणू लागले जुवारीन मागीर 5,000 करोडा स्कॅम म्हणू लागले. आतां स्पीकर सर ते स्कॅम ओ कितें म्हाका दिसता माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जे आमदारान मंत्रीन सांगपाक जाय कित्याक एज पर 11A हांवें एक प्रश्न घायल्लो की गव्हर्मेंटान सांगला म्हाका की हे स्टेटेड दॅट द लिगल ओपिनियन इज सॉट फ्रॉम जिल्मेन कोएलो परेरा and the legal opinion is received pertaining to the matter of the Comunidad. Speaker sir, the land is acquired and handed over to Zuari Agrochemicals. Ye maga dista manine mantrin or report inga how if table of the house inga kurso je maga dista ani ek important mantri bab mache aik
सांगा तुम्ही
hoy mantri bab
बोला तुम्ही
जे म्हाका दिसता कुंकोळचे गांवांत मागीर तो आन्सर दिवपा ना मातशें आयक मंत्री बाब
मिनिस्टर
मंत्री बाब वन इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग इज देर इज अ वास्ट ट्रॅक ऑफ टेनंट लँड आउटसाइड द ज्युरिस्डिक्शन ऑफ द एडजस्टंट टू द कुंकोलीम इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट. नाव स्पीकर सर, this has been developed by violating the norms of the Goa Daman and Diu Tenancy and LRC Act. Sanad na kai na. Itle expansion thing azala. I expect you to book them under the LRC Act and you have to impose, you have a provision to impose a fine of up to 7 times.
तुम पळयतात गोवा न्यूज हब.